Hello everyone, let us learn about Progress Bar, one of the basic elements of Devum HTML controls. In this video we will understand what it is, what can you use it for, how do you use it, and how do you bind a data source to it. Let us start with understanding. What is it, and what can you use it for? Progress Bar provides graphical representation of the completion of progress of a task or process displayed as a horizontal bar that fills up as the task progresses, or the number increases. Progress bars serve to improve user experience by visually indicating the real-time status of tasks like file uploads, downloads, or loading of images or videos. So let us learn how do you use it. First, drag a container element from the library of HTML controls and drop it on the grid layout on the Page Builder canvas. After that, add a progress bar element inside the container. Along with that, add a label as a child element. You can make use of the outline feature in Devum App Studio to identify and customize specific HTML elements added to the page layout. To improve the app page layout, the container element can be customized by selecting Block as the display layout. Next, the width of the progress bar and the label can be adjusted so that the label is center-aligned with the progress bar. After that, add a data source for the container. You can add different types of data sources to your app like forms, MViews, domain services, etc. We have chosen the department table to show the count of department registered on the app and selected count as the method. We are using count method while adding data source as progress bar works with numerical data. After that, right-click on the progress bar and the label in turns to add respective data sources. We will choose the count option from the drop-down options for the value field. This needs to be done for the progress bar and the label elements respectively. Right-clicking an element enables this menu and provides the option to add a data source. While data binding, you need to pay attention to select the appropriate source to get the required data for that element. In our example here, we have tried to show you how you can make use of the template builder functionality to use variables to display dynamic values for the progress bar. This gives you better control on how you can display real-time data changes in your app. After you complete successfully adding the respective data sources, the progress bar updates, as you can see on the canvas. This step completes the data binding requirements for the element. By now, you should have understood how easy it is to work with different Devum App Studio elements to build a perfect app. Now let us look at how we can further customize the look and feel of these elements. To select a specific HTML element for further styling, we recommend using the outline feature, which we showed a while ago. On selecting a specific HTML element from the Outline tab, the Properties tab will appear on the right side of the App Studio window. From the Properties panel, you will be able to customize the styles of the specific element, bind a data source, and add necessary conditions. Under Styles, you can change the appearance, margin, padding, width and height, configuration and color, accent, warm, and primary. With this, you learn how to use Progress Bar in Devum for your app.